Team 101. In this video we will be analyzing the market for gold and crude oil. We are currently on a 4-hourly chart for the gold and the analysis would be from 13 till 14 August. So let's begin. Here I have drawn on my weekly forecast these three support trend line, the first, second and third. We were suggesting that we can potentially see a reversal, and we have seen that this support trend line has been respected by the market. However, when we see that the Russia has made the vaccine for COVID-19, here we have seen a panic sale off or the profit taking, and the market has, the price for the gold has dumped from some around $2,047 till some around 1862, which is some around $200 or 200 points fall in gold, and which was a very significant loss in the market for the gold. And we were expecting this kind of loss, as we have seen a bullish rally for the gold continuing as we have seen. Thus here we can see that the market has taken the support, and where I have given the prediction in my weekly forecast that we can potentially either go for a long sum around here, which would be 1952, or some around here, which would be 1878 at the test of this support trend line. Moreover, we can also see that the market can also potentially turn this resistance into the support trend line. Here it has acted as a resistance. Here also, however, here we can see that it's acting as in support. Moreover, currently we can see that the market is making an bullish pennant. Let me highlight that also. Some around here. And some around here. Now going on a smaller time frame to analyze it better on a 1-hourly chart. Here we can see that the market has been making a symmetrical triangle, or in a higher time frame a bullish pennant, which is in continuation pattern. Now what we can expect that currently we have seen a job loss claim being positive, which means the job loss claims were reduced, and the unemployment benefits were the unemployment claimed by the people, or the unemployment benefit claimed by the people were reduced, and we have seen that it has supported or backed the greenback, also known as dollar. Now we have seen a panic sell off due to the data some around here, and now we can expect an higher high move if we see a breakthrough some around here. Now as a trader, what a trader should do is that we would be looking to go long on the gold. If we see a breakthrough this resistance zone on a 4-hourly chart, only and only then we will be looking for going long, with our stop losses would be placed some around 1917, with a take profit of this above resistance, which I have drawn in on a higher time frame. Within take profit would be some around 1980, and our entry trigger point would be on a pullback towards this. Our entry trigger point would be when we see a break through this resistance zone, and then we would be looking for pullbacks. That would be our entry trigger point, and then we can expect an higher high move. The stop losses are also shown. However, in scenario when we do not see that the market wasn't able to break above the resistance, however the market break through this support trend line, thus we will be not taking any long or short positions for the gold, as we can see that the uncertainty has been increasing, and the Democrat and the Republicans are fighting, and the debate is continuing on the stimulus packages, whether to give or whether not to give, which are creating uncertainty. Now coming on the fact why we have seen a huge panic sell off in the gold is due to the fact that we have seen that the Russia has been successful in its initial COVID-19 vaccine trials, due to which we have seen a significant sell off. Now both long and short positions are explained. Now coming on the fact why I am more bullish for the gold is due to the fact that we can also spot a divergence going on in 4 hourly chart. Here on an 4 hourly chart, here we can potentially see that the market is making an higher low from around here till here. However, the indicator is making a lower low, just some around here till some around here. This suggests that we are experiencing a hidden bullish divergence in the market for the gold, and which is in continuation of bullish pattern being formed in the market. And we can see that the market for the gold has been in an bullish momentum for an quite a significant time from some around here till here. Now we can expect that the market for the gold can continue its potential really upwards higher high after a breakthrough this resistance trend line, and the long opportunities are explained in the video. Now coming on the crude oil, also known as VTI, USD VTI. Here we can see that we have given a long signal to go long position some around here, and we have also shown this descending channel being formed, and we have seen in breakthrough. We have given a signal to go long on and pullback. We can see our first take profit have hit, and the market is trading higher high towards the second take profit move. If we see that the market for the crude oil has closed below this support trend line, if the market has been trading above this support trend line, we would not be taking any sale position. However, once on a 4 hourly chart or a daily chart, we see that the market have done a sale off, and we have seen that the market is closed below this support trend line which I have drawn. Thus we would be looking to go short. Thus our entry trigger point, let me zoom in. Thus our entry trigger point would be some around $42.1, with our stop loss just placed above the recent highs, which would be some around $43, and our take profit for the crude oil would be placed some around $40.82. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.7. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.